Let's take a look at the next problem statement. Find the artists who have sold only in one country and their total quantity sold. So first for this we'll have to create CTE that displays all the artists who have sold only in one country, neither more nor less, and then use that CTE to find their countries and the total quantity sold in those countries. So for the CTE, let's start like this. Select. So since we need artists, we need artist table, artists. Then since we need country, it is available in invoices. So we need to know what's the connection between invoices and artists. So we can use invoice ID to invoice items, and then track ID with tracks, album ID with albums, and artist ID with artists. So let's start using the other way around. So for the artist, I'll use albums, artist ID. Then I'll use album ID with tracks. So tracks. Then we'll use tracks with invoice items, track ID. Finally, with invoices. Now from here, what all do we need is artist name. So a dot name. And then we can simply use group by. And here we'll be using having clause. And what we need is having count of distinct billing country equals 1. To understand this better, for now we will use count distinct. So we can see these all are 1. I'll add this to a CTE. Now let's use this in our final query. Let's just copy this portion, and here we'll join artist. I'm using inner join because I just want those artists which are there in the CTE, and I'll use artist ID here so that we match with artist ID and not name. So we have done an inner join. Then we have albums, tracks, invoices, and we need invoice items as well. So now what I need is s.artist name and billing country from invoices, and then total quantity. Add a group by here, and to exclude these nulls we'll simply say I.billing country is not null. So as you can see here, all the artists who have sold only in one country and their total quantity sold is displayed. If you have a solution which is different than the one shared in this video and you would like to share with others, please share them in the comments box so they can also learn. That's it for this video. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Essential SQL Practice series.